new PTE rules that now we need to consider, we need to work on for getting 90 on 90 in our PTE. Yes, follow these, work on these and get 90 on 90. Hi everyone, welcome to English Wise. To begin with, the number one rule is describe, image and retell lecture. We cannot use pre-memorized templates in this. We have to make sure that we are using such kind of lines or a skeleton structure that shows that we are speaking the thing from our own side. We are not using any kind of pre-memorized templates. For describe image, if we are still using I can see, this is a beautiful picture, the information given is true or false, something like that, using too many adjectives will definitely lower score in speaking section. In retell lecture, if we are still using he told about, he says that, the lecture is very informative and everything, you won't get any score in that. So we have to make sure we are not using the pre-memorized template. I'll show you the templates that you have to use for your describe image and retell lecture. For describe image, we can use this template, only the structured lines and then explanation of highest, lowest, main trends. This will definitely help you. Second, now retell lecture, you can use these lines as a structure and then you have to get phrases in there. This will definitely help you to get very good score in describe image and retell lecture, plus in your speaking and listening, because retell lecture gives lots of points to your listening section. So we have to make sure in describe image and retell lecture we avoid using pre-memorized templates. New rule number 2. Avoid keyword responses in describe image, retell lecture and summarize spoken text. We are not supposed to use the 2 keywords, 1 keyword in these 3. We have to make sure that in describe image we go for explaining with the lines and sentences. In retell lecture we have phrases, and in summarize spoken text as well we have phrases. I'll show the examples as well how you have to perform. Also, in describe image and retell lecture, we have to make sure we speak at least for 30 seconds. If we are not speaking 30 seconds or speaking less than that, then definitely there will be effect on your score. For describe image, see the structure over the screen. There are lines written. After every structured line, there is an explanation. And for retell lecture, you can see over the screen again, with a structured line, there are phrases written. And next is summarize spoken text. For this as well, there are lines plus phrases. So we have to make sure we use these 3 structures properly. Rule number 3. For essay, avoid using one word template. We cannot use the template which we has just topic names, one keyword. PTE is not giving score for that. We have to make sure that we write our own content. We at least need 2 positive sides, 2 negative sides written from our side. Then we get a very good score in essay. Make sure we proofread our work in essay plus check spellings, because if there are more than 2 spellings incorrect, then definitely score will go down. So we have to make sure for essay we do not go for 1 keyword. We can see the example over the screen. There is a templates with statements. Rule number 4. Sequence and correct words matter in repeat sentences and write from dictation. From now onwards, we have to make sure in write from dictation we have to set a proper sequence as the speaker spoke it. Also, we cannot add more extra words. If we are still doing that, that will definitely affect our score. So from write from dictation and repeat sentences, we are not supposed to add any fillers, extra word, write as it is whatsoever has been spoken by the speaker only. You can see the example here. In describe image should be written like this and repeat sentence should be spoken like this. Rule number 5. One-line strategy. No one-line strategy for 79 plus. Students who are aiming for 79 plus, please avoid using one-line strategy. It is for your read aloud where you have to read 10 to 12 words. It gives you very good score in speaking. I have experimented that, but when it comes to reading, it affects our score. So if you're 100% you're good in reading, your reading will be 100% good, then you can use this one-line strategy for 79 plus. But if reading fluctuates, then please avoid using that. For students who are aiming for 50, 65, even 60 can use this. But being on the positive side for 79 plus, please avoid using this. Follow these rules, work on this and get your desired score. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. We'll see you in the next video.